Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on your DiDi account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the DiDi app on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed with logging in using your phone number or your Facebook or your Google account. Once you have been logged into your account, you will be taken into the home page. Now, if you wish to change your account password, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and then tap on Settings. Now, from the settings page, tap on My Profile and you will see your password. Go ahead and tap on it and you will be allowed to enter your current password in order to verify your identity. After entering your current password, proceed forward with entering your desired new password and then tap on the Change Password button, and now your password will successfully be changed on your DiDi app. After this step, you can use your newly set up password along with your original email address in order to log back into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on the DiDi account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.